Today we're going to talk about some hanger hacks. Let's get started. Grab a toilet paper roll, cut a slit down the toilet paper roll, tape 2 of them together, slide them onto a hanger, and slide your pants over the top of the cardboard. This will stop your pants from getting creases in them. Take a cord, clip it into a pants hanger, wind it around the hanger, and clip the other end into the other clip of the pants hanger. Now you have some easy cord organization. Grab a hanger, place a rubber band on each side of the hanger. Place your garments onto the hanger. This will keep anything from slipping off the edges of your hangers. Now, if you're putting pants on your hangers, this could be a big no-no. Sometimes it leaves a crease in your pants. Grab a couple of old business cards, fold them in half, place one end over the top of the pants, and clip that into a pants hanger. Now you can hang your pants with ease and it will not leave any crease marks. If you have wire hangers, grab 2 clothespins, clip them onto the wire hanger, and then clip your pants onto the hangers. This will prevent creases as well. Now, if you're short on storage space in your closet, all you need is a chain. Place one end of the chain onto your hanger in your first outfit. A couple lengths down, place the second hanger with the next shirt or outfit. This hangs them all vertically, saving you space in your closet as well as keeps it nice and flat. Grab a hanger and a package of shower curtain rings. Place all of the shower curtain rings onto the hanger, or as many as you need. Grab your necklaces and place them onto the shower curtain rings. You can put as many or as few as you want, but 1 item per shower curtain ring. This keeps your jewelry hanging nicely and it makes it easy to grab when you're getting dressed. Grab your scarves and slide them through the rings. This will keep your scarves nice and organized, works well for decorative scarves and winter scarves. Grab your baseball caps and focus on the back side of the cap where there is a loop. This hangs them sideways into your closet and is a huge space saver. Now, if you're hanging your sweaters this way, you can really stretch out the shoulders. First, start by folding your sweater. Fold it in half. Place your hanger upside down so that the hook is in the armpit. Loop the sleeves up and over the hanger and tuck them through the bottom. Repeat that with the other side of the sweater. Grab a command hook and place it on your kitchen cabinets. Open your cookbook to the desired page of the recipe you're using and hook it into a pants hanger. Now you can cook with ease and avoid splatters. Place a command hook in your bathroom. Take a magazine and place it over the bottom of a hanger. Hook the hanger onto the command hook, and now you have an easy magazine rack for your bathroom. Take a hanger and cut the bottom center. Slide paper towels onto either end so that they hang on the bottom. Hook this into an area where you're going to need it. So I've attached this to my workbench so that while I'm doing my projects, I can easily grab paper towels to clean my hands up or anything else that I have along the way.
Alka-Seltzer is made of baking soda, citric acid, and aspirin. These are great cleaners and deodorizers, as well as help me speed clean some things and save time and energy. Clean and deodorize coolers. Fill the bottom of the cooler with water and add 5 tablets. Let this stand for 15 to 30 minutes. Use a scrub brush and lightly scrub the bottom. Wash the cooler out. It'll clean it and deodorize it. Deodorize your fridge. Fill a glass with 1 cup of warm water and place 1 tablet into the glass. Set it in your refrigerator, close the door, and leave it for 30 minutes. Use it to clean your coffee pots and coffee cups. For a glass coffee pot, fill your coffee pot with water and place a couple tablets in your pot and let it sit for 10 minutes. For a stainless coffee pot, fill it with water and add 2 to 3 tablets. Let it sit for 15 minutes or more depending upon how dirty it is. For coffee and tea stains in your coffee mugs, pour 1 cup of warm water into your mug and add 1 tablet. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Pour the Alka-Seltzer water out. Wash and look how clean they are. Make a multi-purpose cleaner. Place 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablet into a squirt bottle. Used to clean up surfaces like counters, sinks, and more. Clean and deodorize your plastic containers. Fill with warm water, add a couple of Alka-Seltzer tablets, and let sit for 20 minutes. Dump out the mixture and wash as usual. Your plastic will be clean and deodorized. Clean your vases or glassware that has gotten cloudy, have rings on them, or small openings that a brush can't get into. Fill with warm water and place a tablet into each one. Let sit for 10 minutes. Pour out the water, wash, and look how clean they are. Use it to clean your toilet bowl. Place 4 tablets in your toilet bowl and wait 30 minutes. Scrub with a scrub brush and flush. Use it to clean your sink and drain. Fill your sink with water. Place 2 tablets in the sink and wait 10 minutes. Let the sink drain. Use a paper towel to wipe up the sink and rinse it. Doing this routinely will also keep your drains clean. Deodorize and clean water bottles and thermoses. Fill with warm water and add 1 to 2 tablets depending upon the size of the item and how dirty it is. Let soak for 10 minutes and wash afterward. Pour out the water, wash, and look how clean they are. I hope this inspires you to do some Alka-Seltzer cleaning of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.